Public Health just released a re-inspection report of Oceanview Middle showing 61 demerits for everything from ceiling leaks to restrooms and locker rooms being exceedingly hot. The school has actually failed several times over the past few months. A 2019 law set a July 2024 deadline that allows schools to stay open while they fix deficiencies, but a new law by Education Chairman Chris Barnett moved the deadline to this August.
I think the spirit of the law was for them to go out and kind of assess where we're at with the schools. I mean, it's a no-brainer to really for Oceanview, right? Where we're at is there's a whole lot of work that has to get done. But I think by doing this inspection, it really gives the Guam Department of Education a clear roadmap forward because, as you know, they got to come into compliance by the start of the new school year.
That's less than 3 months from now, though. Environmental Public Health Supervisor Remeliza Oriondo.
So basically, their structures are really aging. So if these are the same conditions that they have right now, it is possible that most schools will fail.
But buying some time for GDOE is the fact that public health only has 9 inspectors when it really needs 25, and inspections of newer schools will be prioritized, giving older schools even more cushion.
Right now, if they can already start submitting their variance requests, we can provide them guidance to ensure that it meets the requirements of the rules and regulations.
We just have to find ways to get creative with the resources that we do have. And I think, you know, GDOE, they're well aware of what it takes to shut down a school, what it takes to keep one open. And so I would just, again, ask the acting superintendent and the Department of Education that they continue to move forward in addressing non-compliance issues in good faith and in a timely manner. Regardless of what public health is able to or not able to do.
It's a race against time to avoid mass shutdowns, but even though he calls it a drastic situation, Chairman Barnett says there's still some wiggle room.
If there's a project out to bid that's been awarded, or if, again, that good faith effort is in place, that corrective action is in place, then a variance can be granted. Now, the only instances that a variance cannot be granted is for things that would result in the failure of an inspection. So you can't grant a variance for, you know, rodent infestation or any of these infractions that, you know, really cause the demerits to pile up. I don't think these inspections are going to bring us anything to smile about. What I do think, though, is they're going to provide an accurate roadmap in how we can move forward into providing an environment, a safe and sanitary environment where our kids can really focus on academics more and focus less on the ceiling falling down around their head.
Nestor Lecanto, KUAM News.